Have you ever wondered why raw beef sashimi is everywhere in sushi restaurants, but raw pork is never eaten? Is it just about the number of bacteria? In fact, there are three key reasons behind this. It is not that beef is inherently safe nor that pork is toxic, but the risk gap is too big to ignore. The first culprit is parasites. The most dangerous one in pork is Trichinella. These tiny worms burrow into pig muscles to form cysts. Once ingested by humans, they hatch in the intestines and burrow into human muscles, heart, and even brain. But the Taenia saginata in beef only stays in the intestines with mild symptoms that are easy to treat. More importantly, cows are herbivores and almost never get infected with Trichinella, while pigs are omnivores and easily infected through food. Some people say ham is also raw pork. Actually, ham is a cured food through salting and air drying, not fresh raw meat. Trichinella cysts in fresh raw pork cannot be killed by lemon or salt and must be heated above 63 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The second reason is bacteria. The probability of bacterial contamination in pork is much higher than in beef. There are more types of bacteria in pig intestines, and once the intestines are damaged during slaughter, bacteria will contaminate the meat. Data shows that salmonella outbreaks caused by pork are 3 times that of beef. 15% of raw pork samples in Europe have harmful E. coli, while beef only has 2%. This is related to pigs' diet and their skin and hair being prone to harboring dirt. The third reason is meat structure. Beef has long, thin muscle fibers with evenly distributed fat, and the myoglobin it contains can also resist bacteria, making it difficult for bacteria to multiply. Pork, on the other hand, has short, thick muscle fibers with most fat on the surface and high glycogen content. Bacteria love to feed on sugar, so the bacterial growth rate in raw pork is 2-3 times that of beef. A misunderstanding needs to be clarified here. Not all beef can be eaten raw. Only sashimi grade and tartare grade beef are safe. They undergo strict inspections and low temperature freezing to kill bacteria. Raw ground beef from ordinary supermarkets must never be eaten. It mixes meat from multiple cows, and if one cow is infected, the entire batch is at risk. Tartare beef in restaurants is always cut fresh from whole pieces, which is safer. Practical advice for everyone: when eating raw beef, always choose regular restaurants. Prefer those with sashimi qualifications and high hygiene ratings. You can also ask to see the meat inspection report to ensure freshness. When cooking pork at home, be sure to use a meat thermometer. The internal temperature must reach above 63 degrees Celsius to be safe. Do not judge by color alone. For beef, if you want medium rare, choose thick whole cuts. To summarize, raw beef is safe because of few parasites, low bacterial contamination, and antibacterial meat structure. Raw pork is dangerous because of Trichinella, many bacteria, and easy pathogen growth. Never try it, no matter how tempted you are. Now it's your turn. Have you ever eaten raw beef sashimi? What did you think of the taste? If someone offered you raw pork, would you try it? Come to the comments section to share your thoughts. If you like today's science popularization, don't forget to like and follow. Next time we will bring you more interesting food safety knowledge so you can eat safely and wisely.